like to wish a very happy birthday to the students whose birthday lies in this week. Like to wish a very happy birthday to the students whose birthday lies in this week.
Good morning, my birthday is on 20th April. And it me, my birthday is on 20th April.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sudha. My birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday.
I will come, I'm just waiting for others also. I think there is little confusion. All the children whose birthday falls between 10th April to 18th April, please come here. Nobody's. I just celebrated my birthday. I will not tell which birthday, which year, that I will not tell.
But on Sunday.
Yeah, it was on Sunday, 13th April. Vaisakhi, we celebrated Vaisakhi also. So thank you so much everybody. I received lovely messages from all the teachers and faculty members, ma'am and everybody. I think I have not revealed my birthday so far to students, so that is why I was not getting your messages. But we have mutual blessings for each other. So our energy comes from you people, and we are really very happy to be part of the school and part of all the activities that we do in school. So all the best. Thank you, Abhisar. It was lovely.
Presented our school in the Make My School Annual. I would also like to introduce Director Ma'am and Principal Ma'am to facilitate the awards. The Best Delegate Award and Raghav Gupta from class 10 got special mention. For the Best Delegate Award. Raghav Gupta from 10 got the special mention. I would also like to call Arshia, Meher and Vinraj from class 9 and Jay. And Gulkar. Swastika.
Swastika, come.
Where is Raghav?
Congratulations. We are waiting for the
Raghav, come.
For ma'am to share a few words with us.
Good morning, everyone. I think this is the first time that we have had an assembly on Easter. So thank you so much, Raina ma'am, for taking that initiative, and thank you, Abhay sir, and class 9B. Let's give them a big round of applause. It's very, very important to know the different religions in the world and their culture and their, whatever they believe in, because we all have to have the understanding of other religions to be able to live peacefully together, because all religions speak about the same thing. There is one God. So that is why it was very important to have this assembly about Easter. Has anyone ever had an experience of celebrating Easter with some friends or family? Has anyone ever celebrated Easter? In school you've done that, okay. Yes, all convents do that. We've done that, but any child who has a friend or a family who celebrates Easter, No. So I think you should make an effort now. See or do it yourself also. Like, we celebrate so many festivals. So this is such an important one where Christ rose from the dead. That's what they say. He resurrected because he was God. So, and he had died for the sins of the people to make sure that our sins are washed away so that humanity is forgiven. So that is why it is a good idea to learn about other religions and cultures and also be a part of celebrating. Who out of you all have gone to a church? I'm so glad to see that. Very good. And see, and in fact you might not get any place, but see if you can visit the church on Easter. And you will be able to hear a bit of the scriptures also. So thank you so much for bringing that into our lives. And it is such a novelty for the children to hear about Easter because we keep repeating our own religious beliefs. So it is good to know others. And there is a lot of similarity. Lot of similarity in all religions. So, and I would like to congratulate the winners of the MUN. Getting the best delegate is amazing achievement. Let's everyone give him a big round of applause. That's Madhav, right? Wonderful Madhav. And Raghav, you also. So I think both of you are equally talented. And we are very proud to have you in school. Thank you so much, Abhisa, and the students of 9A for this wonderful assembly. And it struck a chord with me because I've always studied in convent schools. So it is good to be reminded of the Christian values again. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. So today, even Easter celebration, I didn't know. I was very small knowledge, very little knowledge on that. But today, it was very, very informative. Thank you, sir. Thank you, children. I think when we speak, so I think we learn also that why they are celebrating this. Why do they celebrate this this Easter thing? So I have gone to US and in many houses I have seen that they decorate with the Easter egg and they celebrate. They have a huge party for that. So this I can share about the Easter celebration. Yes, I only know the celebration, but today it was very, very informative. Thank you so much, children. And one thing more important is do hard work, focus in your studies. That is very, very important. Love you all. Thank you.
Now let us all rise for the national